What if I told you the king of speed is back? And it's angrier, sleeker, and more advanced than ever. Buckle up, because the 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa isn't just a bike, it's a statement. This machine isn't built for the faint-hearted. Welcome to Acer Rider, and today we're diving deep into the high-octane world of the 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa. Stick around till the end, because there's a surprise that'll leave every Busa fan stunned. The 2026 Hayabusa debuts with a more aggressive and aerodynamic design, blending modern aesthetics with signature Busa DNA. The sculpted fairings, sleeker LED headlights, sharp tail design, and bold air intakes scream performance. New dual-tone color schemes like vibrant yellow-black, sapphire blue-silver, and matte red carbon black add a futuristic yet savage visual presence on the road. Aerodynamic improvements aren't just cosmetic. Suzuki has refined wind deflection, stability, and downforce to give riders a high-speed advantage while maintaining comfort and control. At the core of the 2026 Hayabusa is the updated 1,400cc inline-4 engine, now more refined and powerful. It churns out over 200 horsepower with razor-sharp throttle response. Suzuki's engineers have upgraded the ECU mapping and cooling system for better fuel efficiency and torque delivery. The result? Lightning-fast acceleration, a deeper exhaust growl, and a top speed that once again pushes the limits, rumored to be nearing 320 km per h, 199 miles per hour. Electronically limited. But trust us, the Hayabusa still leaves most superbikes trembling in its rear-view mirrors. The 2026 Busa is smarter, too. It now features Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS, with updated ride modes, lean-sensitive ABS, cornering traction control, launch control, bi-directional Quickshifter, and cruise control. A new 6.5-inch TFT digital display keeps all this tech at your fingertips, with full smartphone connectivity via Suzuki Ride app. Want to switch from track beast to highway cruiser? It's just a button press away. Suzuki has enhanced the chassis with a lighter, stiffer aluminum twin-spar frame and new Showa suspension front and rear. Braking duties are handled by Brembo steel calipers and larger dual-disc front brakes, giving it unmatched confidence at high speeds and razor-sharp handling in corners. The revised riding position is slightly more relaxed, making long rides less punishing, without compromising on sportiness. The 2026 Hayabusa doesn't come cheap, and it shouldn't. Priced around $20,999 USD, it's a premium investment in pure performance and timeless design. Launches begin globally in late 2025, with pre-orders already flooding in. The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa isn't just an update, it's a rebirth of an icon. Faster, smarter, and bolder than ever, it reminds us why the name Hayabusa has been feared and admired for over 2 decades. Whether you're a seasoned superbike rider or a lifelong fan, this Busa will make your heart race. And here's the surprise we promised. Suzuki has teased a limited Hayabusa Final Evolution Edition with carbon fiber panels, performance upgrades, and exclusive paintwork. Only 500 units worldwide. Want to see that beast revealed first? Make sure to hit subscribe on Acer Rider, because we'll have exclusive details in our next video. This video is based on currently available information and AI-generated insights. Actual specs and details may vary at official release. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and share this video with every motorcycle lover you know. This is Acer Rider, where legends ride.